No more gatekeeping. We took a day trip road trip to St. Augustine from Tampa, Florida. First thing we did after our 3-hour drive was head over to Tomato Cemetery. We loved hearing about James, the ghost of a little boy who can be spotted playing in the graveyard and in the tree. He's most often spotted by children. The visitor center provided us with some helpful information on some of the things we wanted to do for the rest of the day. We hopped on the trolley and went around St. Augustine. We saw sites like Flagler College. And in case you're wondering how I managed to stay so young and beautiful, anytime we're in St. Augustine, we always stop by the Fountain of Youth and take a drink from the Fountain of Youth. Next stop on the trolley was Old Town. We went over to visit the old jail. The staff never disappoints with their amazing theatrics. We've been to the old jail at night before. Going during the day is a completely different experience, and I totally recommend doing both. Next stop on our tour was Castillo de San Marcos National Monument. The views of St. Augustine are incredible from here, picture perfect. It's an absolute must stop in St. Augustine and a perfect end to a day trip to St. Augustine. Follow for more travel tips.